Hello everyone, my name is Kumar and welcome back to our channel KUMAR Programming. This is an introduction session for authentication with Next.js Auth where we will see that what all the sessions that we are going to cover under authentication, and also we will see that authentication flow. And I would like to say thanks to all of you since I'm getting very good response from all of you guys from this series. I have uploaded around 12 sessions, right? The only thing is I'm not getting the much more comments from you guys, so I couldn't know that how the series going on. So I would request to all of you, please like and comment so I would be able to know that making session on this series is going to be worth. And friends, these tutorials are completely free. I have not added those sessions to the membership sections, so this could be freely available to all of you. And still there are more sessions about to come. The next session we are going to have related with authentication with Next Auth, and after that we are going to implement our add to cart functionality, and then cart and shipping address page, and after that we would be implementing our payment method and order page, and right after that we will implement our PayPal payment and Stripe payment with their API integration, and also we will create our order history and user profile, and then after that we would be creating our admin panel with order, admin product and images where product can be managed, and we will create admin users where we can search for the user and we can manage users. Also we would be having filtering, and we would be adding carousel to our home page, and also we would be implementing our rating and reviews, and after that we would be implementing email purchase receipt that the mail is going to be sent to the users. So a lot of things are going to come in this series, and eventually we would be having around 50 to 55 sessions that I'm planning to have in this series, and I'm planning to have all these sessions on alternate days, right? And also in our previous session, we have successfully deployed our application in Vercel. So now see that what we have done so far. So this is our application where we have displayed our latest arrival product here. And here we have a nice header. And here we have implemented our theme, light theme, dark theme, and system theme, right? And here we have given button for the cart and sign in button, right? However, the functionality is not implemented it so far. And here we are displaying our list of all the products inside our product card component, and inside this product card we are displaying here product details like product brand, product name, product color, size, number of reviews, number of stars, and price, right? And once user will click on this product, it will redirect to the product detail page where we are displaying the image, and list of all the images are getting displayed in the small section over here. And once user will click on each and every image, the big image will come at the top side, right? And in the center we are displaying all the product information, and the right side we are displaying price and status, whether product is in stock or not, and here we have given a add to cart button, right? So far we have implemented this and we have deployed successfully in our Vercel environment. So this is currently live. If you want to test it, you can test it from your side as well. Also, you can test the performance of this site as well. So what you can do in order to test the performance of this site, you can inspect this, right? And once you will inspect it here, you would be having an option of lighthouse, right? You can just click on lighthouse, and after that you will see some sort of options that you can select it from here. So I'm going to select it navigation and desktop and all the category performance, accessibility, best practices, and SEO, right? We have not implemented PWA so far, so I have not selected this. Now you can click on analyze page load, and once you will click on analyze page load, it's going to analyze your complete website, and after that it's going to give the result that what all the issues that you have in your application, right? See, it's now auditing the complete application, and if you see here we have the performance at 98%, right? And accessibility we have implemented 100%, and best practices are implemented 96%. SEO is 100%, right? That's great, right? Everything is green. Here we would see that why this best practices are 96%. So browser error were logged in the console. Okay, fine. So because these error are coming because of we have given cart and sign in, but we have not implemented those pages, right? So that's why those errors are coming over here, right? Once we will implement it, all those errors will gone. Okay, now let me quickly explain that what all the sessions that we are going to cover in our upcoming session. So in our authentication session, first of all, we would be having our user model creation, right? We will create our user model and after that we will seed our user tables, right? And after that we are going to set up our Next.js auth library. I would suggest to use this Next.js auth library because this is getting very popular and it's giving a lot of ways to authenticate to the user. It supports for multiple providers and it's very easy to set up, right? So we will use this Next.js auth library in order to set up our Next.js authentication. And after that we are going to create sign in sign out actions, and once those actions are created we are going to create sign in page, sign in out button, and we will create our jod schema validation, and after that we will create our sign up page, right? And eventually we are going to have error handling and JWT callback setup, right? Now let me show you that what the authentication flow will be. So in our user authentication flow, first of all, user will log in with their credentials by providing their user ID and password. And after that, credentials are going to check against the database by using Prisma if those credentials are correct or not. If those credentials are correct, then after that, user is going to be authenticated. And we are going to create a JWT token for the users, right? And the token will be created including ID and role. And that JWT token will be sent to the server with each and every request in order to validate the user. And this JWT is going to use to create the session with the user details. And after that, this session allow user to access app without re-login, right? So user don't have to re-login again and again if the session is present, right? And we will have a provision to expire our JWT token after 30 days. So after 30 days, user must have to re-login. Okay. So this will be the authentication flow that we are going to implement, right? So friends, a lot of sessions are going to come and we are going to learn a lot in our this modern web application. Hence, I would request you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss an update for all of our upcoming videos. And if you found these tutorials are helpful, do me a favor, like this video to support me and my channel, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed so far, and also share these tutorials to your fellow developers who might find it useful. And if you really love my work, then consider buying me a coffee to support for more free tutorials. Link is given below in the description. Alright, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning.